Today I'm going to talk about why you should consider reading science fiction. Science fiction should be of interest to those who like the humanities, the sciences, and the arts, because it relates to all these subjects in different ways. Traditionally, it had quite a low reputation, but in recent years, many literary novelists are moving over to the genre, perhaps in response to pressing concerns about the direction the human race is taking. Science fiction is a very large genre encompassing a huge number of subgenres such as space operas and speculative fiction. Science fiction is the literature of ideas and the literature of the future. For example, the Martian Chronicles by Bradbury is about humans who go to Mars to avoid an expected nuclear war. Science fiction narratives provide a thought experiment about what could happen in the future. Many scientists have become science fiction writers. Science fiction provides a great form of escapism and makes us wonder if something else is out there. For example, in the Star Wars series, we imagine there may be another galaxy with different spaceships, gravitational fields, planets, humans, robots, and so forth. This draws us away from planet Earth and makes us believe that maybe planet Earth is comparatively small. Science fiction isn't necessarily depressing and gloomy like some people think, because sometimes science fiction writers try and make us see a way through our problems, as Stanley Robinson does in the novel The Ministry of the Future. Many science fiction works should appeal to those who like politics, because many science fiction writers covered these subjects, such as Bradbury, who wrote Fahrenheit 451. In this novel, Bradbury shows his concern that censorship could lead to a society with too much top-down regulation that stifles the arts and other forms of intellectual inquiry. This genre should be particularly interesting for us now because of the potential for a Third World War with very, very dangerous weapons and the potential for environmental collapse. Scientists have been inspired from science fiction works to invent things, so this truly is a genre for everyone, even those who don't come naturally to reading literature. The first 3 Star Wars movies drew me to science fiction. Please leave in the comments below what drew you to science fiction. I will often mention this genre on this channel. In a sense, it is the most powerful genre because it can be seen as directing humanity in the right direction so that we get the future we want. It surprises me that more speculative fiction novels haven't been made into movies, because this really is an important genre for our era. Thanks for listening. See you next time.